Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo IP. Today we are going to see how to configure the outbound routes, but first let's go to the official website and briefly show the patterns we can use for Grandstream PBX. We have the X, which are digits from 0 to 9, the Z from 1 to 9, the N from 2 to 9, and we have wildcards that can be used to represent any character from 0 to 9, regardless of the number of digits, and vice versa. Also, for the downward exclamation mark that is used in the outbound routes, we can define digits from 0 onwards. To configure the outbound route, we go to Trunk Extension, Outbound Routes, and there are several ways to define an outbound route. Here we have a general route, we just put a name, the pattern can be an _XN. The X we already saw are digits from 0 to 9 and the dot is so that the dialing continues and the length of the numbers does not matter. We can also adjust by defining 10x, which would limit the dialing to only 10 digits, and any number from 0 to 9 could be dialed through this route. We also define the outgoing rule privilege here at the bottom. We can leave it as national or international. This privilege must also correspond to that of the extensions so that the extensions can make outgoing calls. Finally, here we would select the trunk through which we would make the call. If we have more than one trunk registered, we define them as backup trunks, which means that if one line is busy, it jumps to the other backup trunk. Here, for example, we add a SIP as a backup trunk. We also have this other type of pattern where we can define a number to select a line. If we want to select a line when dialing, for example, with line 1, we can define one ippbx and a d, which is a prefix to let us know that we can use it from the phone and dial out through trunk X. By defining this, we can enable national or international privileges, or we also have this option that says Enable Source Caller ID. If we enable it, we can define which extensions would have permission to make calls through this route. This way, only 1000, 1003, and 1004 could make calls through this trunk. Here we would select the trunk and in the strip field we would put a 1 because we are adding a digit to the dialing, so it must be removed, and here we would just click Save. If I go to this other example with a 2, the parameters would be the same. You can put a privilege here or enable source caller ID. In the strip field, we would only add a 1. Why only add a 1? Because we are removing the digit, not the number that is added. If we put a 22 here, for example, it would no longer be 1 digit, but 2 digits, so in order to dial out, we would have to dial 22 plus the 10 digits of the number, and this would send the call to the trunk. Don't forget to add 2 in the strip field and click Save. That concludes the examples of outgoing rules. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.